Hi there guys and girls, welcome to the first episode of Practice Pad Friday. Let's get into it. Right then guys and girls, so basically I'm starting a new series. This series is going to be all about practice pads and what to practice. It's just going to be basically different hand techniques, different hand patterns. I'm going to do 3 a week, 3 patterns that is, and it's going to be released every Friday. So hopefully you enjoy it and you stay tuned. So the first pattern we're going to look at is nice and simple. So all these 3 this week are going to be nice and simple, something for you to work towards. If you haven't got a practice pad, say check out Amazon. There's some really cheap ones in there. You can even get ones with sticks and bags and things, and a stand, and they're not too expensive at all. So what we're going to do is, we're going to start with 2 on each hand. We're going to play 4 bars of 16s, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and we're just going to keep looping it. Okay, now the ultimate idea would be to use a metronome and start off at a speed you feel comfortable to warm up, and then slowly go as fast as you possibly can. And then the idea is you'd work on it every so often and try and increase that maximum speed. If you haven't got a metronome app, there's loads of free ones on the app stores. So grab one from there and it will, I guarantee it will help you playing. Okay, so we're going to speed it up a little bit more now. So okay, and then we're going to go, and like I said, try and get as fast as you can where it feels comfortable. Okay, so the second pattern we're going to do is just straight right lefts. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and okay, nice and simple. So now we're going to speed it up a little bit. Okay, and then one final time, just so you guys can see a little bit quicker. Now I will say, when you're working on these, also really try and work on your finger technique. I can't say enough how much it helps. So like with your singles, really get those fingers involved. Okay? Okay, so then the third and final pattern we're going to do is we're going to do a right lead paradiddle, a left lead paradiddle, and then 2 sets of doubles, okay? So nice and slow, it goes like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So now we're going to speed it up a little bit. Okay, and a little bit faster again. So, ready? And a little bit faster again. Little mistake in there, but so you want to try and get it as crisp as possible without it sounding, without the notes being stretched out or over long gaps in between. I'll try and go as quick as I can and see what it sounds like. Okay, well, you get the idea anyway. I said I'd start off nice slow tempo and slowly build it up. If you work on these throughout the week, it will help you playing low, just moving your hands around the kit. So if you please hit that subscribe button and tick that bell, just to stay in touch. Like I said, it will be every Friday. Don't know how many I'm going to do, but I won't get bored of it. If you've got any comments or anything, please leave it down below. If it's helped you at all or anything, or if you've got any videos you want to send me of you doing it, please pop it in. Please send me a link. That's great. There is a website that I use called Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description, and it's just in case, it's just there so that you can support the channel. If you just want to leave a small donation, that would be much appreciated and great. I'll also, anybody that does leave a donation, I'll give a shout out in the video. The latest one is off Linda Bradley. So thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.